How to reset the siren, then reconnect the siren back to the alarm panel. Ensure the siren is turned on. We will now reset the siren. Hold down the set button on the siren for 4 beeps, then let go. The siren will blink twice, indicating that it has been reset. Now turn the siren off and then back on. On the alarm panel, select Menu, then Parts. We will now sync the siren with the alarm panel. Hold down the set button on the siren for 3 beeps, then let go. When the siren flashes, select the Siren Learn button. The siren will beep twice. Return to the main menu on the alarm panel. Hold down the SOS button to test the siren. Then select Disarm to turn the siren off. Select Arm and then Disarm to check the arm and disarm beep notification.
Well, we hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please give us a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, just drop us a comment below. And if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. All the products that you see on our channel are available with free shipping at osigodirect.com or amazon.com. Those links are provided in the description below. My name is Brandon Paris, and thank you for watching.